In this video, you'll learn how to log into Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will gain access to your wallet and manage your cryptocurrency securely. Begin by opening a web browser on your device. Navigate to the Google homepage by entering www.google.com in the address bar and pressing the Enter key. This action will take you to the Google search page. Once you are on the Google homepage, locate the search bar at the center of the page, type Trust Wallet extension into the search bar and hit Enter. A list of search results will appear, displaying various links related to Trust Wallet. From the search results, look for the official Trust Wallet extension link. Click on that link to be directed to the Trust Wallet extension page. This page will provide you with the option to add the extension to your browser if it is not already installed. If you have already installed the Trust Wallet extension, you will see its icon in the browser's toolbar. Click on the Trust Wallet icon to open the extension. This will prompt a login screen to appear where you will be asked to enter your password. Type in your password in the designated field. Ensure that you enter the password accurately, as it is case sensitive. Once you have input your password, look for a button labeled Login and click it. After a brief loading period, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully logged into Trust Wallet. If you encounter any issues during the login process, double check your password for accuracy. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can hinder the login process. If the extension does not respond, refreshing the page may help. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.